Well, hello foodies in Carpizzo Kitchen Land. Today I am making, and I'm browning the chicken, a cut up chicken here. Okay, I'm browning it first, and we're gonna make smothered chicken with vegetables. And I have three kinds of vegetables here. I have some celery, I have some pepper, bell pepper, and I have some onion. You see them all in there? Okay, we're gonna put a little garlic, we're gonna give it some broth, put some thyme, and we're gonna make this just really super delicious. And at the end, throw in some spinach so we get a little extra green color, and we'll have maybe a baked potato with it, or maybe some rice. I'll decide that later, but a one-pan chicken with smothered vegetables on top and on the bottom, and it will all cook into some beautiful chicken broth. And here we have it going. So let me take a look and see how our chicken's doing. You know, and our chicken is browning. And what I try to remind you all is, remember, go and watch the shorts. Watch our shorts, because I'm going to do this in several different pieces as I put this together from the chicken browning. So watch our shorts. We number them 1, 2, 3, and so on. And watch them for smothered chicken with vegetables. And that's what we have going today. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do join the 800 plus subscribers that are following us on our channel. So we love you all. This is Peter Carpizzo's, and as always, out.